Napa may buhat na to. So hello guys. Good afternoon. Currently we're here at Cornelio Padilla Street, si Padilla, Padong's Colon. Ang sumpay ang Colon Street, of course. Legendary, the oldest street in the country. So how are you guys? How are you doing? Yes, bata. Nagalagang bata. Cute. So of course this is Sunday at Sunday Drive. You will see mga streets na we don't usually visit before, but now, you know, we visit once in a while. Magian na to ba? Not getting Colon. It's a busy road during weekdays, but karon it's a Sunday, so medyo the traffic is quite light. And yes, welcome to Cebu City, and I'm showing you the downtown of Cebu City. Once the center of the bustling Queen City of the South, Cebu. Oh, diba? Karon ni-shift naman ang kuan-god ang crowds na dito IT Park, ni kuan ni dako ba. But somehow naagihapon ning Colon, oh, di ba? Oh, makakuan gihapon ta. Maka biyahe gihapon ta, maka agi-agi gihapon ta diri, of course. Oh, wala. This is Cebu City. It's already June. The rains are starting to come. Oh, diba? Diba? And wala, rainy season, and hopefully, yeah, what tabahaaway mga kuan kayo, but so far, yeah, nag-uwan-uwan na. That's why sometimes walang, you have to bring your umbrella or prepare for rains on some days. Check the weather forecast. The worst of the hot summer is over again, so sabi mga bataan na concentrate. So the rest, the worst. So anyway, life here in downtown Cebu na aghapon ay naghapon mga abring mga tindahan, no, dere mga for the buy, Julie's, na Mercy's. Kapalit ng piyaya dere, and kaning Metro will have their mid-year sales at June 14, 15, and 16. That's next week, so up to 70% off, and you know, nindot na kung Metro Reward Card member ka, kaya you'll earn tons of points o uban pa, diba? So that's Gaisano Metro, and this is, you know, katotong gikuha na Shibuya of Cebu, ang Colon, no? Nakakan kayo ng labang, oh. So busy afternoon here in Colon, diba? Pero layo rin yung crowds, ano yung katong kuhaan pa ni mga 1980s, so diba? Diri gila tanan, there's Oriente Theater, mga sinihan. It's the movies are here. Daghan kining movie houses. Unfortunately, namatay ang movie industry, I don't know, what about nawa ang mga cinema industry when SM came, because they got it all. So the malls basically ikaun sa malls ang movies, so movie industry, I mean cinemas, so diba? Kanito used to be a lot of cinemas yan, makinumdom yun ko. Ito yung mga nga Eden, Ultra, Visterama, Super Cinerama, mga Regent, uban pa. So kanang over there, so Kera na na, that's one way. And kanang UV, University of the Visayas, the green building, that's alma matters kung mama pagka school, but yeah, wala. one of our local schools, University of the Visayas, Silangulias. And money atong kuan, busy day on Sunday. Dagan sa gyapon manuroy there is downtown day. It's nice to see mga tao na nga ba. Suri-suri with their families para, of course, kuan man. Yari na lang tamuliko sa Pasalem, palando ta. So maning Hacosalim, this is the Gaisano main, and that's going to Colon Obelisk. This is Colon Street. And yeah, karon ang mga transport na to, nagyan pa jeeps, pero mostly kada na mo modern jeeps na or like mini buses. So mga tao kasagaran daghan gyud magmotor na tay taxi. And yeah, mo ni ang kuha na to uso. And over na left corner mo ng Don Macchiatos, Cebu's first 39 peso coffee. So bana, and Don Macchiatos now started usara na ka-branch mga 2 years ago. Now it's around 800 branches, almost 800 branches. So can you imagine? Oh, yan naka-amazing na Don Macchiatos how it has grown ba. Ano na may mga army dito. So kaya ba ang ano? So we're entering the Hacosalim Street. Saan sila? Ayun na ba? Ay karing eco oil at bang ani mo ng Mu Kandingan. So alam, one of the best kandingan in the city. Mu taga Bohol ay nag-iya na. Mr. Angkog pa to, diba? Mumbai, basta. And of course, dire dapita used pan is really mga boarding houses nga dire man ang ibong kawa kay mga development dire kay daghan magyapon residential dire kay boarding houses na kay duol sa major university like San Carlos, UV, even UC, and Diaz Veles. Sa mga kuya lang ning manang uban mga bati kay nag mga nang bat pila na naka doktor ang niagi dia, engineer, doktor, nurse, mga professional na nakapuyo diha. Ina na to i-underestimate. Since nasayop tag lane, diretso ta. Supposedly mo right hindi ko. But it's okay, it's all right. All right lang ta, marwag kalma lang. Don't worry, be happy. Na. Pero at least makita ninyo ang Cebu, ang kagwapa sa Cebu. Negatibo mong utok, makagilat sa Cebu. Pero Cebu City. So we are on our way towards kato ng uptown, which is more of the katong mas recently developed. Ano yung mga karaan dire, mga karaan bahay sa una. Dire pa gyud ang syudad, dire pa gyud ang Cebu. Kaning mga uptown gamay pa ni namuyo sa una. So karon mo ni mga building na so karon is shift lang. The Central Business District has shifted towards this side of the city. Diba? Okay lang nga. So kung nadaan kag prutas diri nga sa Ramos Public Market. So I don't know kung if you watch this video in 10 years from now, so we don't know daghan kay changes makita, but I'm showing you at least in June 9, 2024 money dagway sa Cebu. Diba? Kasi diya little snapshots na ginatong na butang ang snapshots ba snapchat sa Subo. pang kuan pa ba. Sometimes we always think na marabag wawa lang. You might think these videos are nonsense, but someday realize na these videos na gamit so you can see what's life like here, diba? Yeah, what people are thinking, what's how this looks like, diba? Kay bawal lagi. If someone took videos tingin sa una, diba, sa mga Spanish era kung naapa, diba, you will see a clear difference, diba? So kung atong gibuhat ng Rona, we're in a way documenting the changes, the slow changes, the changes of this city, diba? Pagbago sa daan, may mga bago, diba, mga bagong building, mga nabubumbang bahay, diba? Ay, dami mga kabaguhan, and ayun, diba? So in the end, mukuanta na yeah, it would be nice to look back, diba? Sa now sa Cebu sa una, and might not be too useful now sa present, but it could be so useful in the future, diba? Ay, mao na ato ikuan lang. Anyway, mo na yun, nata sa Mango Avenue, so General Maximum Avenue. So mo na sa datong trip kay para makuha lang yun, ba? Ata lang is-savor, mai-end tapos tag-as kaayo. But this is the snapshot of Cebu City on June 9, 2024. So thank you so much for watching, and support. You can visit Cebu guys, diba? Bye.